हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर तमन्ना क्लासेस। और आज का टॉपिक है फर्स्ट इन इंडिया। तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको सारे फर्स्ट इन इंडिया बताऊंगी आज वीडियो में। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट वुमेन प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन थी इंडिया की? इंदिरा गांधी जी बिकेम द फर्स्ट वुमेन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया इन 1966। इन्होंने सर्व किया इंडिया में 1966 से 1977 तक एज प्राइम मिनिस्टर, और उसके बाद फिर दोबारा से 1980 से start होके until her assassination in 1984, her leadership left a significant impact on Indian politics. तो फर्स्ट women प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन थी इंडिया की? इंदिरा गांधी जी। फर्स्ट मैन इन स्पेस Rakesh Sharma, an Indian Air Force pilot, became the first Indian to travel to space on April 2, 1984, aboard the Soviet spacecraft Soyuz T-11. During his 8-day mission, he conducted scientific experiments. The first man in space कौन थे? Rakesh Sharma. First nuclear test. India conducted its first successful nuclear test, codenamed Smiling Buddha, on May 18, 1974 at the Pokhran Test Range in Rajasthan. It marked India's entry into the nuclear club. First satellite launch. India launched its first satellite, जिसका नाम क्या था? आर्यभट्टा, on April 19, 1975 using a Soviet Cosmos 3M launch vehicle. Aryabhatta was an experimental satellite for Earth observations and scientific experiments. किसके लिए थी ये सैटेलाइट? अर्थ की ऑब्जर्वेशंस के लिए और साइंटिफिक एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के लिए। फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट कौन थे? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद was elected as the first president of India when the country became a republic on January 26, 1950. He served as president for 2 terms until 1962. First Prime Minister Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, a prominent leader of the Indian independence movement, became the first Prime Minister of India on August 15, 1947, when India gained independence from British rule. First Field Marshal कौन थे? Sam Manekshaw was appointed as the first Field Marshal of the Indian Army on January 1, 1973. He played a crucial role in India's victory in the 1971 Indo-Pak War. First Indian to win Nobel Prize. पहला नोबेल प्राइज किसने जीता था? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने, a renowned poet, writer and philosopher, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his work Gitanjali. He remains the only Indian to have received this honor. First women IPS officer कौन थी इंडिया में? Kiran Bedi became the first woman to join the Indian Police Service (IPS) in 1972. She has held several key positions during her career and is known for her initiatives in prison reform and community policing. First women chief minister कौन थी? Sucheta Kriplani became the first women chief minister of an Indian state when she assumed office in Uttar Pradesh on October 2, 1963. First women pilot in Indian Air Force, Harita Kaur Deol, became the first women pilot to fly solo in the Indian Air Force on September 2, 1994. She flew a Chetak helicopter. First Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal, Abhinav Bindra won India's first individual Olympic gold medal in shooting at the 2008 Beijing Olympics in the 10-meter air rifle event. First women to climb Mount Everest, Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest on May 23, 1984. She accomplished this feat as a member of the Indo-Nepalese Women's Everest Expedition. First Indian women to win Miss World title. Rita Faria became the first Indian woman to win the Miss World title in 1966. She was a medical student at the time of winning the title. First Indian film to win an Oscar, Gandhi, directed by Richard Attenborough, became the first Indian film to win an Academy Award Oscar for Best Picture in 1982. The film portrays the life of Mahatma Gandhi ji. First Indian Test cricket captain, C.K. Naidu, was appointed as the first captain of the Indian cricket team in Test cricket. He led India in their inaugural Test match against England at Lord's in 1932. फर्स्ट इंडियन इन स्पेस, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, राकेश शर्मा, as mentioned earlier, became the first Indian to travel to space in 1984 as part of the joint Indo-Soviet space mission. First Indian to win Booker Prize, Arundhati Roy won the Booker Prize for fiction in 1997 for her debut novel, The God of Small Things, becoming the first Indian woman to receive this prestigious literary award. First women president of the Indian National Congress, Annie Besant, a British socialist, theosophist, and women's rights activist, became the first woman president of the Indian National Congress in 1970. First Indian to climb Mount Everest, Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa mountaineer of Nepalese Indian descent, along with Sir Edmund Hillary, became the first climbers to reach the summit of Mount Everest on May 29, 1953. Norgay's achievement marked a historic moment for India and the world of mountaineering. Thank you, friends. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Dr. Tamanna Classes. Thank you.